Welcome to Career Transitions, a guide to help you prepare for a career change. Today you will learn the steps to take to help you make an informed decision about career transitions. We will also go over some resources available to help support you as you research career options. Many customers find themselves needing to return to school in order to prepare for a change in careers. In the slides that follow, you will learn how to find the right training provider or college for you, along with advice on how to make a wise investment in your future. Washington Career Bridge is our state's one-stop source for career and education planning. It's an excellent resource to find what careers are suited for you, which jobs are in demand, and how to find the right training institution. Let's watch the video to learn more.
Welcome to Washington Career Bridge, where you'll discover your interests and talents, explore careers, what they pay and if they're hiring, and most importantly, find the education you need to land the job you want, all in one website. Career Bridge, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. 1. Explore careers. 2. View job trends. And 3. Find education, where you can search over 6,000 Washington education programs in one place. Let's start in the Explore Careers section. A good first step is to take the career quiz. This quiz takes about 15 to 20 minutes and helps you uncover your interests and how they connect with what you want to do. Take your time and click as many items that fit you. Remember, this is all about you, so be true to your own interests and talents. At the end of the quiz, your favorite career clusters will be at the top. Each cluster features dozens of careers that share similar skills, the kind of skills that interest you and that you're likely to be good at. Click on a cluster and start comparing careers. The cluster page will give you a little more information on what these types of occupations do. Click on a specific career to get even more details. Once you click on a career, you'll get all kinds of important details. The Employment Outlook shows you if this career is growing in our state and how many job openings to expect. Wondering how much you'll earn? Find out what this occupation pays, from just starting out to average earnings after you've been in the field a while. Next, discover the education you need to land a job in this field, whether it's a certificate, an apprenticeship, or an associate's degree or bachelor's degree. Finally, click on the Washington Education web links on this page. They'll take you right to the education programs that lead to your chosen career. Want to know what other occupations are available? Click View Job Trends to find out. In the View Job Trends area, you can find out about all kinds of occupations, what they pay, if they're growing in Washington, and whether they might be right for you. If you check the In Demand box, you can find out which career fields are projected to grow the most quickly. Now you've got an idea of what you want to do, but you need to find the education that will help you land the job. Click Find Education to start your search. In the Find Education area, you can search for programs at a specific school, or find a program close to home, or simply type a career into the search engine to see which programs match your career interests. Want to know how much you're likely to be paid and your chances of landing a job? Make sure you check the Performance Results box. Now click Search. CareerBridge generates a list of programs that match your search criteria. Click on one to get more details. Under the Program Details tab, you'll find out more about the program, including how much it costs, where it's located, and how long it takes to complete. Under the School Details tab, you can connect with admissions, financial aid, worker retraining and veterans services, and other key contacts. No more searching and getting lost at a school website. CareerBridge brings key contacts right to you. Will you get a job after you complete this program? How much can you expect to get paid? Click on the Performance Results tab to find out. When data is available, CareerBridge shows you the percentage of students who completed a program, along with the employment rate and earnings of students who finished the program. Consider it a report card on the education program you're considering. You can also see the main industries where graduates went to work to see if they got work in the field they trained for. This data is not available for all programs, sometimes because they are too small or too new. Other times, we simply do not have the information to provide results. But when it's available, you'll get a good idea of your return on investment. Click on Student Characteristics to get a better idea of who your classmates will be. You can see the percentage of men and women, their ethnic backgrounds, their education level, and even their age. It's never too late to go back to school or too early to begin planning your future. So, how will you pay for it all? Click on Pay for School to connect with financial aid and other resources that can help you afford your education. Fill out federal FAFSA financial aid forms or take a look at grants and scholarships, loans, work study, and tax credits that will help you pay for school. More questions? We've got you covered with the Help Center. You're likely to find your questions along with the answers right here. Okay, now you know how to put CareerBridge to work for you. It's time to find the career and education program you've been dreaming of. Start clicking today.
Now that you know how to use CareerBridge, let's look at programs in our community that can also help you make informed decisions. The Workforce Education Center at Columbia Basin College has several grants to help students pay for tuition, books, and more, who are also enrolled in professional technical programs. The Worker Retraining Program has several ways for you to qualify and pays for tuition, fees, and books for up to 15 credits. The BFET program is for people who are eligible for or are currently receiving basic food assistance, and it helps students maintain their food stamp eligibility while in school. They can also help with tuition, fees, books, childcare, and more. The Opportunity Grant is for students who have low income and are enrolled in eligible programs. And the WorkFirst program is for students who are currently receiving TANF and have been referred by their DSHS case manager. Both programs can help with tuition, fees, and books. All of the CBC workforce education programs can help you understand financial aid and get you started on that process. Finally, CBC provides a quick funding survey to see which grant programs you might be eligible for. A lot of our students qualify for multiple programs. WorkSource offers a wide range of programs that can assist you in identifying a career goal and may be able to offer limited tuition support. The adult program at WorkSource offers a variety of career and training services that can help you achieve your goals. Please refer to the qualifications and click the adult program link in the description box to learn more. The Dislocated Worker program at WorkSource also offers a variety of career and training services for those who have been dislocated from their last job, including those impacted by COVID-related business closures. Please refer to the qualifications and click the Dislocated Worker program link in the description box to learn more. OIC provides help to eligible farm workers and their dependents with job referrals and placement, career planning, vocational training, and on-the-job training or other work experience options. DVR assists customers with disabilities that result in barriers to employment. If DVR cannot serve all eligible individuals because of funding limitations, it must establish a waiting list for services. Currently, DVR has a wait list, so individuals will be selected from the waiting list based on the significance of their disability and the date they applied for services. Labor and Industries helps people consider career options and find sustainable, physically appropriate employment after an injury on the job. Veterans have access to a range of support options via their GI Bill benefits. Click the GI Bill link in the description box to learn more. In addition to these resources, there are several other supports such as employer-sponsored training and tuition reimbursement that could be offered through an employer. Work study is also a great option for those who qualify. One of the most important steps you can take before making a career change and investing your hard-earned money into training is to research our labor market. Staying informed of employment outcomes in your field of interest is critical to ensuring you put training and experience to work quickly. Sites such as the Washington Workforce Board, ONET Online, and the Employment Security Department's demand decline lists are great places to start your research into careers that are in demand. The Employment Security Department posts their top 25 occupations advertised online and other labor market information regularly. The top 25 occupations list also includes the number of postings and wage information. This information can help you make a decision about your next career to ensure it is in demand. These are the top 25 employer-preferred certifications found in online job advertisements from February to May of 2020. This list can be very helpful in making your decision about a training or a credential to pursue. This and other labor market information can be found on the Employment Security Department's website. All the programs mentioned today have representatives connected to WorkSource Columbia Basin, and we work together to get you connected with the appropriate programs that meet your needs. If you want information or have questions, you can connect with an employment specialist live via Zoom on Fridays at 11 a.m. Thank you for listening. We hope you are well and wish you the best as you navigate life's transitions.